Hello. Today we are unboxing, setting up and doing a quick sound test for this bamboo wireless speaker that I got from my grandmother. The packaging is quite simple. As you can see, this bamboo speaker also has RGB LED backlight, which we will test later as well. But for now, let's have some background music, and let's see what this bamboo wireless speaker is like. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.
And our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have.